All right, you guys. So this is the Paseo Villa at the Ojai Valley Inn. Really huge room. Nice living room. Big screen TV, fireplace. You have your living room over there. Those two sliding doors lead to your balcony, which leads out to like the golf course area. Then you have your bar area over here. You also have a guest bathroom over here, so they don't have to use the master bathroom because it's really nice. And then you walk through the living room and you come into the master bedroom, which is really big too. You have a king size bed there, large screen TV over there, your closet. You have your own personal fireplace in the bedroom, office area, lounge chair. You guys have to see the bathroom. The bathroom is incredible. This is the master bathroom. It's huge. His and her sinks. Everything is brand new and modern in here, guys. Huge walk-in shower. Bathtub with jets in it. Bathroom. And yeah, it's a pretty nice, big, cozy, spacious place in Ojai. So, all right, you guys. Hope you liked the tour.